Greetings and salutations. I am in my backyard because I wanted to share with you all a Colorado phenomenon. Something we've been doing here at 8 o'clock every day. And I don't know if it's just a Colorado thing, but maybe you can bring it to your cities. But it is the howl. And everybody around Colorado does it. Depending on the neighborhood, depends on how exuberant it is. But it's a way to show support to all the people working in the hospitals and out there who are not at home staying safe. And it's a way to let everybody know that you're out there. To kind of communicate with each other, just like a wolf pack. You howl, they howl back, and you know that there are people out there still listening to you. So I am going to do you guys hear that? And that's my son. So I really hope this is coming through on video. The Colorado howl. And this is a quiet one tonight. Some have gotten quite loud. And there it is. Do you want to howl? Are you gonna howl, kiddo? Come here, let's howl together. Come on.
It's time.
Ready? Come here. Come here.
Are you ready? Okay, stay here. You want Bobby to stop? But it's your turn. If you don't howl, you'll miss it. You want me to hold your hand? Okay, ready? On the count of 3 and then you're gonna howl. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Do you want to do it again? 1, 2, 3. Good job.
And there it is. Do you want to howl? Are you gonna howl, kiddo? Come here, let's howl together. Come on.
It's time.
Ready? Come here. Come here.
Are you ready? Okay, stay here. You want Bobby to stop? But it's your turn. If you don't howl, you'll miss it. You want me to hold your hand? Okay, ready? On the count of 3 and then you're gonna howl. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Do you want to do it again? 1, 2, 3. Good job.
In case I forget, like, share, and subscribe if you like this one.